What is going on, YouTube Nation? This is Darth Dividend. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. I have to show you my dividend income from September, and things have really improved with my dividend portfolio. Of course, I'm going to be in drip mode. I'm going to be reinvesting my dividends. These are significant dividend increases on my E-Trade and M1 Finance portfolio. And I'm absolutely capitalizing on the dip right now. My employer is offering me a little bit more money to stay around. I have a little bit of a sign-on bonus that's going to come in sometime in November, so I'm going to throw that right away into my dividend portfolio. There are some things that are going on with my dividend portfolio, and I made changes, and I'm going to reveal to you that in a little bit, but I have to show you my earned dividends and how much I'm making on M1 Finance. I haven't perfected my changes yet until I get to X amount of dollars. I'll explain that to you that shortly. But I'll show you E-Trade, I'll show you M1 Finance. And again, if you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. I'm going to be working right now, but I'm going to post this video for you guys. I have it saved. So let's check this out right now. Right now, I'm at the Death Star. I'm at $23,536.38. So my goal is to get about to 35,000 and then start adding more sections. I want to get to at least 35, get at least $10,000 more, and then start adding more shares or stocks because I want to go after certain sectors. My real estate sector slash BDC, that's mostly LTC and Iron Mountain. I earned 239.01, total QYLD 7403, Altria 5545, Exxon 4878, Pfizer 4677, Pembina 4624, BTI 4611, Omega Health Investors 4356. My monthly dividends ETF section, that's like JEPI, Devo, my covered call ETNs made a total of $37.12. Spirit Realty Capital is giving me a nice dividend of $36.22. Enbridge $34.18. Coca-Cola $33.81. The communication sector, I have like Verizon, AT&T, TELUS, and BCE. Brookfield Infrastructure Partners $30.03. RYLD $29.10. XYLD $26.95. BNG Foods $24.48. First Energy, I've earned $22.97 from these guys. Unilever $18.70. UVV $15.27, One Oak $6.29, SMHB $2.33, my little BDC Emeryt $2.09, VC Properties. I started really buying these guys, and then Capital Southwest Corp I did as well. Gree Realty Corporation, sold them, and then started adding them back in. SL Realty Corp $137. So now I'm going to show you my dividends for the month. So the first one I did Enbridge. I did 1063, and then I subtracted that. I actually put it right here. That's a total of, where did I find it? It's 904. First Energy 772. JEPI I made 157. Pfizer 936. Then we're going to go down. Unilever I earned 382. Exxon 1152. Agree Realty Corporation 189. Pembina 318. Minus 48, which I got PBA 270 right there. SLG 28 cents. SMHB, that's my cover call ETN 233. Now here's when it starts kicking in. Remel 0.08. Brookfield Real Assets Income Fund. I actually sold those guys 234. I'll probably explain to you guys in the future. Nusi 256. SLVO 193. GLDI 146. Now here's when things are really kicking in. RYLD 908, XYLD 566, QYLD 633, VIP a combination of 549 plus 36 cents, Devo 165, CSWC 190, LTC Properties 897, and then this special BPYPM I earned 19 cents there. So I calculated everything. I made a total of $97.13 for M1 Finance. So I obviously need to start getting QYLD, RYLD, and XYLD up there because remember, I want to make $1,000 to $3,000 a month on my monthly dividends, $2,000 to $4,000 a month on my quarterly dividends. I at least need to get to that $100 mark with QYLD, RYLD, and XYLD. So when the damage really starts kicking in, and it might get to the point where I don't even have to pump in more money. I can just start buying individual stocks in E-Trade and really start, and this is already doing the damage once I make it to 100,000, 200,000 with my dividend portfolio. So I'm really excited to see the changes go on. Now let's jump to my E-Trade dividend portfolio. So right now I'm at $29,962.28. I've been really loading up on some of these, and I did mention Sachem Capital Group. It's right there, and SQFT Real Estate Investment Trust. It's really cheap, so I've been buying the dip. IVR is another one. But I'm going to show you my income that I made on E-Trade real quick. So let's start with Conagra Brands, 973. EPR Properties, I made 1171. Gladstone Investment Corp. This is really interesting. I made 494 and then it gave me more money. Horizon Technology Corp, 70 cents. KeyBank, 865. Main Street Capital, 1379. Realty Income gave me $23.90. Stag gave me 677. Wendy's, who I sold, gave me 481. And then going up, Presidio Property Trust, that's that penny stock, that's a real estate investment trust. I made 237 from that. And my covered call, oil, 388. That's that USOI. And then Gladstone Investment Corp, all of a sudden I got 1156. So that's like I got some extra stuff. And then Gladstone Land Corporation. So I'm with that, adding everything, I made a total of $104.87. So combining 97.13 to 104.87, I made $202. That's very exciting. I made it to the 200 mark, and it seems like it's starting to be consistent with these dividend stocks, which I'm reinvesting and starting to earn a lot more passive income. So that's very exciting. And, it's just going to get bigger and bigger and bigger. So I just wanted to reveal to you guys my dividend increases and how things are looking. So if you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. This is Darth Dividend. You guys have a great Saturday.